Welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what you have to understand looking at this particular chart, there are 3 points. Okay. Because after pandemic what we have seen, there is a continuous upside was there, and this was creating a pattern when it was moving upside. See how it was creating a pattern. See that whenever it is going higher, a profit booking is coming, and this after this profit booking is coming, there is a downfall. If you look at this downfall, a sharp downfall. Okay, and this sharp downfall, a swing was forming, and that is where it is going higher. Okay, and this is for second, third, fourth, fifth. This is the fifth, and this was the sixth time where the Ukraine war started. That is where the price was continuously moving down. Okay, after that what had happened, the price was moving in a range. Okay, as soon as this range, a range of around $83.7, this was the high of this range. So once this range started going upside, a further higher we can see, and that is where it was going upside, and a probability of going further higher we can see. Okay, now it is trading at a level of $78.38. Overall trend is downside. If you go from September month, okay, till the time it has not touched a level of $94. Okay, if started going upside, a further high we can see in the price of crude. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $78.77. If it started going further high, then we can see it will go towards a level of $79.37. Okay, and once started going above a level of 79.37, a probability of crossing a level of around 80.75 we can see. This 80.75 is already being tested, so chances will be high it will go further high and can touch a level of around 83.65. Okay, this 83.65 is already being tested, so chances are high it will go towards a level of $84.65. Okay, this $84.65 is a half this zone. Okay, so this is an important resistance. Okay, so once started going above a level of 84.65 and touches a level of 85, then a further upside we can see, and then a probability of crossing a level of 86 we can see, and then it can go further high towards a level of 88. Okay, this 88 is being a weak resistance, so chances will be high, and it's a higher, it will cross a level of around $89.73. This $89.73 is being tested, so chances are high it will cross a level of around $92.56, and from there a further upside we can see. This is what we can see in the price of crude. Okay, and you have to understand overall trend is downside if we go on a weekly basis also, because it has already made a half around 94.89, and after that there is a continuous fall. Okay, and if the price started moving below a level of $76.36, okay, then we can see it will go further down, and yes, a probability of going further low we can see in the price of crude. Okay, because there is a clear pattern will be forming opposite cup patterns, and chances are high it will go further down. So what you can see looking at this particular chart, if the price didn't sustain, because market is uncertain, you have to understand the uncertainty of the crude. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around $77.5. Okay, and if it started going below that level, we can see it will touch a level of $77. Okay, once the price started going below a level of 77, chances of touching a level of 76.12 we can see. Okay, and if the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $74.72. Okay, now once the price started falling below a level of 74.72, a further downfall we can see, and then a probability of touching a level of 73.91. Okay, so once the price started falling below a level of 73.91, a further fall we can see towards a level of 72.6, and then from there a probability of touching 71.21. Okay, so once the price started falling below a level of 72, a probability of touching 71.21 will be there, and then we can see it will go towards a level of $68. Okay, and $68 is a strong support as of now if the price is moving above that level. So once started going below a level of 71.21, then if it moves below that level, $68 we can see, and then it can go further down, and a probability of moving further low we can see if the price fall below 68. Okay, and understand that if you keep your SL, whether you are in profit, whether you are in loss, always set your SL. It will save your capital. Okay, and always try to trail your SL. It will save your profit. These two things are very important, and if you are doing these two things, we will be sustaining for a longer term, and you can make good profit. These two things are important, so accept this in your habit, and then it will make a good profitable trades. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.